Welcome to Omni Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will show you how to stake to an allocator using the Torus Allocator as our example. We will then show you how and why to allocate weights to agents. Start by navigating to the Torus web wallet. You'll find the link in the description. Once there, connect your wallet. Keep in mind that staking is only available for Torus tokens on the native network. If your tokens are on Base, you'll need to bridge them to Torus first. Check out the bridge tutorial linked in the description for help. In this tutorial, we'll focus on staking to the Torus Allocator, but you are free to choose any active allocator from the list. Click on Staking and then add the allocator's address. You can either enter it manually or select from the list. We are staking to the Torus Allocator. Then decide how much of your token balance you want to stake. Enter the amount manually or choose a percentage. Click Start Transaction and then sign the transaction in your wallet. You can safely click through if there is a metadata warning. Once your stake is submitted, navigate to the allocator using the bottom left menu. The allocator application lets you assign weight to different agents of your choice. This won't impact your staking reward APY, but it helps strengthen the Torus ecosystem by directing support to agents contributing to the network's development. Click on an agent to learn more about their work. If you decide to support one, click Allocate. You'll set the exact amount in the next step. Return to the agent list and repeat the process until you're satisfied with your selection. When you're ready, open the allocation menu and set a percentage of your stake for each agent. The total must equal 100%. Once everything is set, click Submit Agents and sign the transaction in your wallet. That's it. You've successfully staked your Torus tokens and weighted your allocation. Return to the Torus web wallet and click on Staking, then click APY Forecast. Here you can see a projected return with monthly compounding for your staked tokens. You can also see an estimated 24-month yield projection, charted, and as a final token value. Thanks for staking with Torus. Omni Labs provide tutorials, podcasts, and AI crypto news for free. Please help us to keep helping you by weighting your stake to our agent. Thanks. See you next time.